Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm trying to tackle this entryway area in my home. This space is one of the most used spaces and also the most visible space. It's kind of got a catch-all space for us. We have been dumping every important and non-important stuff in those drawers, and now it has started overflowing on top of the drawer as well. So I'll start by decluttering these drawers. As you can see, it is full of stuff. Things we need, things belong from other places are still lying here, things we do not need. Things can leave the space and happily go out of our home. Things we are holding on to. Things that deserve a little more importance and love and care. Isn't it true for everything that happens in life? Number of people we meet, the number of memories that we collect, number of things we bring in our home. Have you ever thought, is everything adding value in our life? Is everything has a meaning, has same importance? I guess not. This is my own personal thought that everything, including people in my life, have different importance, different meaning, different role to play. It is for us to place them on different pedestals of life. Today I want to talk about how decluttering clears our mind, how decluttering clears our soul, thoughts, and entire way how we see life. I know it sounds so complicated. How can things become so important? But it does. Have you ever wondered when you step into any great hotel, you feel relaxed, you feel sense of calm, you feel sense of happiness? Why is that? One, these hotels make sure the area stays absolutely neat and clean. Their rooms have a minimal yet utilitarian things available. Right place, right amount, clean linens, and absolutely amazing smelling rooms and environment. These all help us to reduce our stress causing hormone, which is cortisol. Yes, it is all linked in the space we live in. Why dust? Why debris? Why odorous smells? They trigger so much of stress, because it reminds us that this needs to be cleaned. This is not good. That constant reminder of a to-do is a stress-bearing thing. So how to reduce this stress? In order to do that, you need to reduce your to-do list. Yes, that to-do list at times becomes so big we do not even realize. Reducing the number of things that does not play any role in our homes, in our office, in our life, or just brings a sense of negativity that I have to take care of it. Every time you see something or someone, and just ask within your own self, does that thing bring joy? Do I want to take care of that? Will that time spent in taking care of it has any importance? And see how life changes from a cluttered to a beautiful space, to a beautiful life which is absolutely and simply purifying, cleansing, and relaxing for your whole soul, home, and life. It brings unspoken happiness, but deep felt satisfaction. This entryway was reminding me constantly of my to-dos. And now this space reminds me of happiness, calmness, and comfort, that what I need, I have it, and I know it where it belongs. It reminds me that now I have lesser things to take care of. I have all the things that I need that will bring a lot of comfort and happiness in my life. It's good to give away few things that we don't need, that might bring happiness to others. With this, I come to the topic of the 500 subscribers celebration contest. I'm going to give one person rupees 500 Amazon gift voucher. All that you have to do is subscribe to this channel, comment on the videos, and like the videos. I'll be announcing my lucky winner on the Christmas Eve, that is 24th of December, on my Instagram account. That would be my little gift from my side to that lucky person. So all that you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, and follow me on Instagram. This is it. That's it. And then you become eligible for 500 rupees Amazon gift voucher, which will be useful for you to buy something that might bring happiness, comfort, and something that you would like to take care of it. I am truly grateful to all of you who watch my videos. Give your time, and by doing this, you support a dream, a life, and thoughts that I truly believe in. On this Thanksgiving, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each and everyone out there who supports these small dreams of people around the globe, making it one big family where they can share thoughts of positivity, love, and happiness. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, thank you so much for watching my video.